If Nigeria did not release Mazi Nnamdi being on 5th, this unknown message said they are going to put more fire in what is happening. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Things are really happening, and if you know say never subscribe to this channel, I don't know what you the way to, may you quickly go subscribe for quick update as they hot. Back to back update now they bring come for you things where they happen. I will update to full grangara today. They everywhere yafu. Stay tuned as they bring one after the other they come. Don't forget to turn your notification bell for inside YouTube so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person we go to get them. More look into the Ogbonge news we will get for hand today. They say one unknown messenger don't come outside. Come send a message, give Nigeria government, say make them release Mazi Nnamdi, say them don't wait, tire. As it be like this, they want to unleash their anger everywhere. Nabi say na gbozgbozai. He say if they fail to release Mazi Nnamdi after this day, he say things will begin to happen. My people, things are really happening. We'll go ahead go play the video. May not be like say would they talk too much or would they talk of our own mouth. May you watch and before we come back and continue.
Hello, Biafrans. Great Biafrans. Lovers of freedom. Friends of Biafrans. Freedom fighters all over the world. I bring greetings from the mountaintop. If you can hear the background of this broadcast, you will agree with me that I am speaking to you live from the mountaintop. I bring to you a special message from those at the higher mountains. Remember, I said I am speaking to you from the mountaintop. But those at the higher mountain sent a message, and I am the messenger. You can take the message and discard I, the messenger. I am not saying you should take me, the messenger. You are not going to do anything with me. I am not your favorite one. I am not he who should speak and you should listen. As a matter of fact, I am not qualified to speak to you. But please, for the sake of our lives, take the message that I am going to deliver to you. And this message is coming from the higher mountains. Share this message. Share this message. Share this message. Hit your share buttons. Let this message go viral. I am not intent to stay here more than 20 minutes or less. I said I am not going to be here more than 20 minutes or less. But within this few time that you have me on this live broadcast, take this message very, very seriously. You see, the days of lamentation is over. The days of crying to United Nations is over. The days of sending letters to the international communities is over. The days of calling European Union is over. The days of calling African unity is over. The days of sending message to ECOWAS is over. The days have arrived to take the bull by its horns. The day we have been expecting have come. The message is very, very clear. Men at the highest mountain are very, very angry. And there is only one man that has been calming them down. Only one man that has been calming them down. And they are patiently taking this order from this man. And the man I'm talking about is the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Excuse me. Mazi Simon Ekpa has been the one calming men down. But right now, men have sent a message that the patience will elapse on the 5th of September 2023. On the 5th of September 2023, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi, will appear in court. The remnants of Nigeria will determine on the 5th of September 2023. I said, if Nigeria will exist, it will determine on the 5th of September 2023. After the 5th of September 2023, Mazi Nnamdi is not released as the court pronounced. The next action and the remnants of Nigeria is not guaranteed. What will happen next? I am not guaranteeing you. Take this message to your DSS. Take this message to SSS. Take this message to the higher authority. Take this message to the court. Take this message to every nook and corner of Nigeria. After the 5th, Mazi Nnamdi leg did not touch down in Biafra land. What will happen next from the 6th onwards is not guaranteed. I beg you, in the name of whatever you believe in, share this message. Share this message. Take it to your groups. Take it to anywhere this message can be heard. That the man from the higher mountain has sent me, blood for blood, a message to deliver to all that live, all that is breathing, all that is still eating and drinking right now in Nigeria. From the authority down to the lower level. The message from the higher mountain after the 5th of September 2023. Sorry, I repeat, sorry, 5th of October. After the 5th of this October, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not released. What will happen next is not guaranteed, because you see, there is a man, people have been seeing his face on social media in the person of the great man himself, Gentle. You see, what Gentle has done with his men is just a tip, an iceberg, to compare what is to come. Gentle the Yahoo has set the internet on fire, but I can assure you there is greater men, higher, dangerous than Gentle the Yahoo. And those men have not shown his face. They have not shown their face, and they are not willing to show their face. But after the 5th of this month, October, from the 6th, we did not see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Biafra land. I am not assuring you what will happen next. But believe you me, what will happen next will shock you. What will happen next will shock every mankind. What will happen next is not something very nice. It's not a beautiful thing. It's not something palatable. It's not something suitable. It's not something sweet. What will happen next will shock the entire world. You see, the same way Nigeria Armed Forces killed IPOB in thousands in cold blood, they kept quiet. European Union kept quiet. International community kept quiet. African unity kept quiet. ECOWAS kept quiet. United Nations kept quiet. World powers kept quiet. This revenge, I repeat, this is a revenge. I hope they will keep quiet. And I hope all of them will keep quiet for what is to come. Because there is a message Mazi Nnamdi Kanu passed several years ago, and I quote, if the world refuse to give us Biafra, every living thing will be tumbled. That message will start on the 6th of this very month if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not released. This is a message that you have to take serious. I encourage you, if you are hearing my voice right now, wherever you are, share this message. Take it to your group. It is not a message to be ignored. You know, we understand Nigerians are a people who did not believe that there is something wrong until it happened to them. Nigeria is a country that believes nothing is happening until it happened to them.
For people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, I want me share this video, share this video, so that people go also know what thing they go on. Make people know what thing they happen for inside the country where we they say a lot of things are really happening as we they talk. You don't hear them as in talk you know, say now so they talk before, so things constantly happen and they don't start again. They also send messages, but nobody listen to them. Now be the problem where this government get. You get people where they listen to. They go negotiate. But you get people where they go send, go crush them, go crush them. Now the country where they inside, though, he understand now. You get people where go gather in thousands with machine, with their color, with different go. Nobody go bomb them, but you get people where we say if they talk, they say go for that bush. You go see one man wey keep head like a pololo. You go come outside and us. I wanted to bomb the villages, but the people they are telling to remove. How many Fulani, how many Hausa have come outside to talk like that? My people, I beg more share this video, share this video, very very important, and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned, more update today. We'll see you for the next update.